Embarking on a health journey can feel like navigating uncharted territory. But with the right steps, you can set the course for a fulfilling and healthy life. Here are 5 essential tips to kickstart your journey. Tip 1. Fuel your body right. Begin by nourishing your body with whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Think of food as your body's fuel. The higher the quality, the better your engine runs. Tip 2. Get moving. Incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. Whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, or hitting the gym, find what you enjoy and make it a part of your life. Remember, consistency is key. Tip 3. Prioritize rest. Never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. It's essential for recovery, mood, and overall health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night to recharge fully. Tip 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for your health. It aids in digestion, keeps your skin glowing, and helps you feel energized. Carry a water bottle and sip throughout the day. Tip 5. Set realistic goals. Write down your goals, but keep them achievable. Small, measurable milestones lead to big successes. Celebrate every victory, no matter how small. Embarking on a health journey is a commitment to yourself. With these tips, you're not just setting goals, you're paving the way to a healthier, more vibrant you. Start today and embrace the journey ahead with confidence and positivity.